Hi everyone, Vince here. Today I'm going to show you some applications that will allow you to earn free PayPal money straight from your mobile phone. I hope you enjoy and thank you for the support this year. Let's kick this off. So the first application is called StreetBees. So this is the StreetBees application. If you don't know what StreetBees is, essentially it's a money-making application that allows you to earn straight up PayPal currency just by completing stories. These stories include sending photos of your everyday activities, so then businesses can learn more about you, the user. As you can see, each of these stories will pay you a certain amount of money. So if I go and drink spirits at a venue, StreetBees will pay me $5.36. Funny enough, there's another alcohol story here, where if I drink alcohol at a venue, I would then get $3.57. So technically, if I was out in the town and ordered both spirits and another alcohol beverage, I could complete both of these stories for almost $10 worth of real money. But there are way more stories than that. The more stories that you complete on StreetBees, the more stories become unlocked. So let me just scroll through the stories here, and as you'll notice, you'll get paid for eating out outside of your home, $3.57. If I eat from a meal delivery box, I can get $8. And if I send them a photo of what I'm eating right now, I'll get $1.20. The more active you are on StreetBees, I notice the more stories that you're going to unlock. So that's something to keep in mind, obviously. They really want you guys to use their application on a daily basis. Once a story has been completed on StreetBees, they will pay you to your PayPal account within 2 days. Next up, we have Swagbucks. So now this is the Swagbucks application. We have various ways to earn the Swagbucks currency. The way that you can actually earn on Swagbucks is by completing surveys, playing games, and completing tasks and offers. Plus, you can even get cashback rewards by shopping through the businesses that are partnered through Swagbucks. Here's how much Swagbucks I have at the moment. 1,000 Swagbucks equals $10 Australian currency. So that means I'm roughly sitting on about $26 or so. Swagbucks has new surveys every single day that you can complete for the Swagbucks currency. And as you can see, you can roughly get between 50 cents all the way up to $2.50 per survey that you complete, which I find pretty cool. Of course, with surveys, you will get disqualified though, so keep that in mind. Disqualifications will set you back a bit. But the top survey I have is for 250 Swagbucks for 8 minutes worth of work, which is about $2.50. Swagbucks also has a playtime rewards area, which I really don't care too much about, to be brutally honest with you. You don't really get rewarded that many Swagbucks for the time and effort that you'd put into playing these games. At least in my country of Australia, Swagbucks has a really poor playtime rewards feature, but they have a very high paying offer wall, which is super nice to see. They also have various providers that you can go through for offers and tasks as well. Of course, just remember to always shop around if you do plan on completing anything through offers and tasks, because different providers will have different rewards, so always keep that in mind. As you can see, Swagbucks also features various different cash out amounts for various different gift cards and options, which I find fantastic. I think you guys out there are going to be happy with Swagbucks in my opinion. I just hope that it has all the same features in my country that it does in your country, okay? Because that's the thing with some of these money-making apps. What you see on my screen is not going to be the same as what you see on your screen unless you live in Australia pretty much. But I've never had a problem with Swagbucks before in the past. When it comes to how long it takes to actually get your money on Swagbucks, every time I've cashed out a PayPal withdrawal, it's usually arrived within 1 single week. So while you do have to wait a bit in my experience, at least they do actually pay you. Next on the list is Cash Giraffe. Funny enough, at the time of this recording, Cash Giraffe is actually running a promotion for ×2 the amount of coins that you generate for playing games through their application, which is actually a pretty good deal, which you're about to see. If you don't know what Cash Giraffe is, essentially it's a money-making application that pays you to play games. That's right everyone, it's a playtime rewards application, and I have to say, I think it's actually a very decent one compared to what's on the market right now. Even though it states it runs on a coin-based system, I'm going to call it a gem-based system because the little icon is literally a gem of sorts. I currently have 52,000 gems, and looking at the screen here, you can see we have 67 cents for 4,999 gems, $1.34 for almost 10,000 gems, $3.34 for almost almost 25,000 gems, $6 and almost 70 cents for 47,000 gems, $13.37 for 93,000 gems, $20 for almost 140,000 gems, and $26.74 for around 180,000 gems. Going back to the main game screen, if we download Zombie Survivor, it will get 106 gems per minute. If we download this casino game, we'll get 134 gems per minute. Hopefully you guys can understand how these little playtime reward systems work by now. But the longer you play these type of applications, the slower it's going to be to reward you. So keep that in mind. They increase the reward by a minor amount while increasing the time by quite a large amount the more you play them. But Cash Giraffe has paid me every single time without any issues within 2 days of requesting the payout. Plus, if you join through my link, everyone, you'll get 25% of the amount of coins that I earn through you guys playing. So it's literally a system that rewards us both, which I find very interesting. Next up, we have Givey Lucky Numbers. So this is Givey Lucky Numbers, a very easy to understand application where you win coins and those coins can be converted into real PayPal money. A really cool thing about Lucky Numbers is that you pick numbers every single 10 minutes, and if you guess enough of the numbers, you get a higher amount of coins. It's very straightforward. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Here we have the lucky number section, and as you can see, the more numbers we win, the more amount of coins we actually will earn as well. Below we have the number list where I can pick the numbers to try and guess the right ones. And if you're not good at picking numbers, don't worry, because Givey will actually do it for you if you request it. You can either select random numbers or select your last used numbers, or of course pick them yourself, which I'll do right now. So I just picked a whole bunch of random numbers there. I'm going to tap submit. An advertisement plays as soon as you hit submit, but this is usual with these money making apps because developers need to make some cash as well, which is understandable. Lucky Numbers gives you the option as well to watch another advertisement to pick 6 more numbers. So I'll do that now. Okay, so now I can pick 6 more numbers after watching that advertisement. That's done. I'm going to hit submit again. So now all we have to do is just wait for the timer to hit 0 and see what happens. Okay, so now the numbers are being picked, everyone. We're about to see if we actually won this draw or not. Here we go. What have I got here? Let's find out. I have 1 match, it says. Okay. 2 matches. Nice. And that's it. Okay. So for 2 numbers, that means I was in the prize pool for 6,000 coins, which was divided between 84 other people, and that generated me 70 coins. So depending on how many people are using the app at the time, that will decide the amount of coins you're going to generate per game, it seems. Let me show you how much the coins are valued in Givey Lucky Numbers. So at the current time, I have 1.2 million coins, and 1,000 coins equals 1 cent USD. Those 1.2 million coins convert into $12.58 USD. A lot of those coins that I generated were earned through previous videos referrals, by the way, so I just want to give you full disclosure there. Anyone that you invite to Lucky Numbers will generate you up to 4,000 coins, plus you can complete offers and tasks. Lucky Numbers has a huge offer wall provider section, which I do actually appreciate because it's nice for people that don't want to really play the Lucky Match game, so it does have some variety there. While the Givey applications probably have the lowest paying referral program, they are a very easy and simple way to earn your first money online. On the screen right now, you can see the different cash out options that Lucky Numbers provide you. I usually go with the Coinbase cash out, aka the cryptocurrency cash out, because it cashes out instantly, compared to the PayPal currency cash out, which usually takes up to about 3 days or so, and it actually has a fee as well. For other legitimate money-making applications, please be sure to check out my YouTube channel and my website. Links in the description below. I'll see you all tomorrow for another review.